Now let's look for an opportunity to make a pose. We are moving, we are walking, changing weight, parallel and cross system. That's very important. These two are very important elements that we need to have in tango. But also you have to add the pose. So it's like you manage the language, the words and the grammatics, but also you have to use the punctuation. So the periods and commas to make the delivery of your message more clear. There are different moments in which we have a good opportunity to make a pose, and we are going to do it in this element, that is a change of direction. I am in front, parallel system, left, change the direction to the left. And here is a perfect moment to pause. So then we will work different outcomes. Left to the left. See that the second part is a side step. Let's do first to continue from there with walking outside partner in parallel system. Leaders, you can do during the pause or before starting to walk this. We call this brush. Cepillo, you brush the floor. And the follower.
For the follower, I am on my right foot and I can do small circles. If you like, you can also cross your foot in front a little bit, similar to the leaders. If you feel like you don't have as much space, you will have space out here. And either direction. Whatever feels comfortable, you can go with the music.
So see now from this angle, so you can see both doing the embellishment. Here is a pose. From the other point of view. What is important is that moment of suspense, that moment that you rest. Again, the leader will be in that moment with the weight on both feet first, until he releases his right foot to make the embellishment. And then we start to walk. For the follower, she will be always with her weight on her right foot. Okay, let's try that idea.